Alrighty, so we're going to use today's class to accentuate the white belt and the white belt black stripe curriculum. So, Sensei Jair will give you a technique to work on. We'll do it for 2 minutes. I'll give you a technique to work on. We'll do it for 2 minutes. Then it'll be back on him, back on me. So you'll just be exploring through all the things that you are seeing in the class. Your rising, your inside, your outside, your downward. This is designed to help the beginner student have a better understanding of how to merge the formal training with the reality and the tempo and speed of combat. We know that when we're moving, we're not going to do this in the street formally. But we are going to put ourselves into position to understand what those blocks and strikes are for. Is that clear? Yes. All right, so since Diane's going to be up first, once you see it, we're working for 2 to 3 minutes so that you guys kind of get it down, and then we'll go to the next technique. Us? Us. Over your feet, kick your legs. Sir. Turn to face Sensei Diane, get courtesy. Courtesy. Us? Us. Sir, bring it over around the block.
Us. We're going to keep it very simple. We're going to start off with a hook. As we know, we're going to step off of the line to do what? To drain their energy and drain their power. So we're going to step off. We're going to block and strike at the same time. We're going to pass to the other hand, and we're going to come up and break. 1, pass, break, and throw. Now, if you don't know how to flip over just as brother did, do your free side. You're going to take 1 knee, roll over, and smack out. Us? Us? And once again, stepping off. 1, pass. We're going to break. Now, for those that can do it, you can break an uppercut at the same time. Break, take a knee, and roll. Bring them over, finish the technique, and watch your back. Any questions? Anybody need to see it one more time? Let me come on this side so we can see. And he comes, we step off. 1, pass to the other hand. Break, make sure that the elbow is here because that's what we're breaking us. Once we break, you're gonna compound, kotegaeshi, and throw. Clean them up, watch your back, and that's the complete technique. Each one? Let's work.
Once I get right here.
Yes, sir.
Once I get right here, what do I do?
So once you get here, this compound kotegaeshi is going to force him to go down. But the other hand is just there to support the elbow just to make sure that he goes. Make sure you strike at the same time. Strike to the body as you block. And block and strike. Bring him up, break. Very nice. Compound kotegaeshi.
Forget the part after that.
So you come in here, you make sure you're establishing this lock, very good. And we're turning towards his back. Very good, he goes down. And you can kick to finish. Very good, very good.
Straight on, straight up. Underneath the elbow. Yup. Manual. Bring it in to you, and open up the door. Open up the door. This way.
Beautiful, beautiful. Watch your back. He's not by himself. Watch your back. Yes, sir.
Discomfort, right? You want to feel discomfort. Okay. So I'm gonna feel discomfort. So I'm gonna push it. Hook on the block. Hook on this side. Okay. Right. So I come this way. There you go.
So in order to get this break, his elbow has to be facing down. Yes, sir. But you see how this bend is happening? Turn your arm this way so it's like a bat coming up.